Okay, so let's take a look at how to create vehicle inspection app in Google Appsheet. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a database with tabular structure so that you can use that to create your app, right? So first thing, create new database. So by default there will be some demo table that looks like this. We will ignore this and we will create a new database. Then we'll add new table. Here I will be using table settings and give it a name, vehicle inspection, right? I will save this and remove the other table. Now you can remove the unwanted columns as well. This one is labeled, so it will not be removed unless we create a new column here. So let me add new column, driver, make it drop down enum, and then add the names of the drivers. So let's see, Adam S. Keep adding the people here, right? Then save this list. Now I'll add this as a column label, so I will remove the previous one, right? Now next is basically you will be adding the truck number, so it should be a number column, right? Next would be mileage, so we'll see if we have mileage option, otherwise we will just use number. So currently we don't have any specific mileage specific option, so I'll just use number again. Next is damage. So there are times when you have damage, so you will use drop down like damaged or not damaged, right? And we will go with custom issues, right? So if there is any issue to vehicle, we will have it in text. Finally I will add notes, that will be also on text. Like this I will have tabular structure. Now I will go back to Appsheet dashboard, click app, create, start with existing data, vehicle inspection, right? And then I will go with, let's say, inventory, field inspection service. Choose your data, where you choose Appsheet database, then you choose database. Within that you have table, create app, right? And like this you have tabular structure for the app, and as you can see you have the vehicle inspection app view that looks like this, right? Now I will close this view and go to views and use tabular view. You can give it a proper view name as vehicle inspection, right? Remove the sorting because that would just interfere with the tabular view. Now save this and click on desktop tab here. Here I will choose the driver and then truck name, right? So this is the truck number, then mileage, let's say 35, damage, not damage, custom, cleaning issues, and I will save this. This is the inspection of one of the driver and its respective truck. Like this I will keep on adding, populating the new entries into the app. So this is basically your vehicle inspection app in Google App Sheet.